Once you're ready to begin assembly, you'll start by using the included screws to put together the table brace. 2 hex head bolts will fasten to each side of the bar as shown here. You'll use the nuts to lock each bolt into place, ensuring they're tightened by using a wrench on all 4 nuts. Now it's time to attach the table brace to the table legs. There are 2 pre-drilled holes in each leg, allowing you to screw the brace into place. Just like before, we will use a wrench to securely tighten the brace to the legs. Once all 4 legs are attached to the brace, you will stand the frame upright so that the legs are vertical up and down as shown here. Now we will attach the tabletop to the legs. There are 4 pre-drilled holes in each corner of the tabletop located just above each leg. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the small flat head screws into place, attaching the tabletop to the legs in the process. Next, we will fasten the 2 mounting plate locator brackets to the tabletop as shown here. Each mounting plate locator bracket requires 2 screws. The mounting plate locator brackets will attach to the 2 sides of the table near the circle openings as shown here. Next, you'll want to install the mounting plate to the mounting plate locator brackets. The mounting plate will attach to the brackets with 2 mounting knobs. 1 knob will be screwed into each side of the plate. Now we'll screw in the 2 legs for the conveyor. The 2 legs will screw in by hand as shown here. The 2 pre-drilled holes are located near the end of the conveyor. You'll tighten the conveyor to the table's mounting plate by tightening the 2 black knobs located beneath the conveyor as seen here. The 2 circular openings on the top of the table will allow you easy access to the knobs when you are ready to tighten. Next, you'll align the conveyor with the HWC, ensuring the lip of the conveyor is resting on the HWC as shown here. You'll want to be sure the conveyor is at the correct height, which can be adjusted with the leveling feet on the bottom of each leg, and by loosening or tightening the 2 black knobs seen here, then raising or lowering the conveyor as needed. Now you'll attach the stacker plate to the end of the conveyor with 2 screws, 1 for each side. Plug the power cord into an outlet and connect the power cord to the conveyor cable as shown here. Now you can attach the guide wheel, ensuring it's tightened and in place by turning this black knob. With the conveyor and printer leveled and aligned, you can now begin printing.